Started as a small tire and leather shop in 1911, Gates Corporation has expanded from that first shop in Denver, USA, to a multi-billion-dollar business encompassing 5 continents worldwide. As it closes in on its first century of operations, Gates is taking the next big leap forward by embracing the fastest-growing economy in the world. In less than 2 decades since it opened up to global trade, industrialization, and economy, China has developed an impressive infrastructure that is capable of both housing state-of-the-art manufacturing plants and playing host to major international events that showcase the country at its best. Home to over 1.2 billion people, China offers a wealth of resources, technology, and capability that is unrivaled anywhere else in the world.
China represents the largest growing economy in the world. It's very clear Gates needs to be in that economy to participate in it. From a China plant perspective, we can offer a lower supply chain cost, but also with our plant being in China, we can understand our customers' needs much better and service those needs on a local basis.
Located a mere 2 hours away from Shanghai, Gates Corporation's new manufacturing plant in Changzhou, China, is situated right within the city's National High-Tech District. With its excellent location, convenient transportation, stable preferential policies, and efficient service, the Changzhou National High-Tech District has successfully attracted many local and overseas investors, as well as multinational companies, to set up operations here. Completed in October 2009, the Gates Fluid Power Technologies plant boasts 85,000 square meters of production site and features state-of-the-art precision engineering hardware that is used in producing the company's global hydraulic hose lines.
The best way to describe the Gates Corporation is through 2 key elements. One is the quality and performance of our products. The other is the service and solutions that we can offer to our customers. With this investment in China, we are able to guarantee the quality that our customers have come to expect from our products made elsewhere in the world. Being located in China, we are also able to enhance the customer support and developing products specifically for our customer needs.
With the company's new plant in Changzhou, Gates Corporation's customers and business partners in the Asia-Pacific region no longer need to import products from specific countries of faraway origins. Gates Fluid Power Technologies aims to meet your hydraulic hose needs while enabling you to save time and money. At the same time, it also ensures that designs and standards testing remain a vital part of its product manufacturing process.
Gates Fluid Power in China is committed to offering our customers fluid conveyance solutions and services. We will be doing this by manufacturing the same global products to the same quality here in our Changzhou plant in China. In addition to that, through our product application support and prototyping bay here in the factory, we will be able to tailor solutions and products to our customer needs.
The prototype bay helps solve the machinery needs of Gates customers in 2 ways. Value engineering assists in the design of a product to fit the needs of the customer from inception to completion. Value analysis takes existing machinery and redesigns it to make a better solution for the customer's needs by eliminating hundreds of parts, thereby cutting down on cost and creating a less complex design. Gates Fluid Power Technologies' global hose lines feature the same high-quality, tested products that customers have come to expect from the company. All products, regardless of whether they're made in China, the US, Europe, or other parts of the world, must meet strict specifications before carrying the global Gates label.
It is not our job here at Gates to drive to industry standard. We are the ones who have been setting those standards for many years. In fact, our plant in China is not just a manufacturing facility, it is also a showcase of our testing and development capability.
As we open and introduce this plant into China, I think it's important to note that we don't intend to simply manufacture hoses into the marketplace. Gates is intent on providing a solution for fluid conveyance. Fluid conveyance means a system of hydraulic products. That system incorporates the highest quality hose in the world, the highest quality couplings in the world, and a supply base that provides us fluid conveyance products that can meet any need that you might have.
When a customer buys a Gates product anywhere in the world, he is assured of consistent and high-quality performance. As your solutions partner, Gates is also able to tailor products to meet and suit your needs. With the expansion of its geographic footprint through its latest manufacturing plant in China, Gates is moving quickly ahead on its path to bringing its global products closer to you and your needs.